Tax information. Capital gains tax is a tax imposed on the gains presumed to have been realized by the seller from the sale, exchange, or other disposition of capital assets located in the Philippines, including pacto de retro sales and other forms of conditional sale. Documentary stamp tax is a tax on documents, instruments, loan agreements, and papers evidencing the acceptance, assignment, sale or transfer of an obligation, rights, or property incident thereto. Donor's tax is a tax on a donation or gift, and is imposed on the gratuitous transfer of property between two or more persons who are living at the time of the transfer. Estate tax is a tax on the right of the deceased person to transmit his/her estate to his/her lawful heirs and beneficiaries at the time of death and on certain transfers which are made by law as equivalent to testamentary disposition. Income tax is a tax on all yearly profits arising from property, profession, trades or offices, or as a tax on a person's income, emoluments, profits, and the like. Percentage tax is a business tax imposed on persons or entities who sell or lease goods, properties, or services in the course of trade or business whose gross annual sales or receipts do not exceed P550,000 and are not VAT registered. Value-added tax is a business tax imposed and collected from the seller in the course of trade or business on every sale of properties, real or personal, lease of goods or properties, real or personal, or vendors of services. It is an indirect tax, thus, it can be passed on to the buyer. Withholding tax on compensation is the tax withheld from individuals receiving purely compensation income. Expanded withholding tax is a kind of withholding tax which is prescribed only for certain payers and is creditable against the income tax due of the payee for the taxable quarter year. Final withholding tax is a kind of withholding tax which is prescribed only for certain payers and is not creditable against the income tax due of the payee for the taxable year. Income tax withheld constitutes the full and final payment of the income tax due from the payee on the said income. Withholding tax on government money payments is the withholding tax withheld by government offices and instrumentalities, including government-owned or controlled corporations and local government units, before making any payments to private individuals, corporations, partnerships, and/or associations. Excise tax is a tax on the production, sale, or consumption of a commodity in a country. It applies to goods manufactured or produced in the Philippines for domestic sale or consumption or for any other disposition, and to imported goods. Follow us on CLICKer-BMB Computer Center channel. Hit subscribe, like and share. Thank you.